This recipe is just a rough guideline. You don't have to follow this. You can experiment all over the place. I mean, I never make it the same 2 times in a row, or ever. But one good thing is to always write down your recipe as you're making it. You never know when you're just gonna hit the jackpot. I mean, sometimes you can find something that no one else has done before and actually get you paid, bitch. I mean, hell, Mall's barbecue sauce, that stuff that comes in a jug that you stick your finger. And Mr. and Mrs. Malls probably went from the shit house to the Shangri-La overnight. You gotta maul it. You just maul it. Remember the good old days when you could go through the Taco Bell drive-thru and order 1 taco for 49 cents and get 50 packets of taco sauce? It was a damn windfall. Now, in 2021, they require you to ask for sauce to get any sauce in your bag. So they won't even give you 1 sauce for 1 taco. They'll send you on your way with 0 sauce. Obviously, you can see where this insanity is going. Your right to sauce is being taken away. Our right to sauce is being taken away. Our fundamental right to drown our food in sauce is being robbed from us. And don't think this bullshit, this petty bullshit, won't spread to other restaurants in the industry. There's gonna be a shortage of free sauce out there. Like anything else in life or work, if you want a great solution, you have to do it your damn self. Don't rely on other people. Take it in your own hands and make yourself a kick-ass barbecue sauce. And here's how. Terrible children at the pool. Beating your next door neighbor's wife and blackouts. Bill Gates has to have a finger in that pie. Darth Maul. Bob Kraft and backdoor massage parlors. Go back to fucking kindergarten and learn how to spell. It's definitely not payday. Prairie land bestiality. There are no egg rolls in Smoky Mountain. WFM, wishing for Monday, miserable hour. It is a fact that Eve came from the rib of Adam, and my inability to run a 40-second 40 came from the McRib. Recycled and seasoned motor oil. KC Masterpiece? More like a KC Masterpiece and a Sunshine cover band at a local VFW type sauce. Nubby penis.
If you call it ketchup, I will smack you in the face. Yet ketchup is the base for this sauce, but it still doesn't change the fact that it's disgusting. Why give money to the big guy? Make it yourself.